Here I am at the Phillipsburg Wastewater Treatment Plant. I'm at the pump station 1, which is the primary input. And I'm putting in some level transmitters. You can see right here, ultrasonic level transducer. And there's another one over here. Two chambers coming in here, one here and one here. They merge together. That's a bar stream to take out the heavy solids. And then they merge together. And they come in over here and over here. And it's about 100 degrees down here. I'm not kidding. There's two pumps on this side. And we're measuring the level in this pump to control the speed of those pumps. And there's two pumps on this side. And again, we're going to measure the level on this side to control the pumps. So what I'm doing now is I mounted these aluminum brackets to hold the transducers. And I am going to now route the cables. Nothing fancy. I'm going to pull the cables up along this railing and up top, up here to the control panel.